In Java, C and C++ and C Sharp, COBOL, JavaScript, PHP, and many more languages. If else conditions, switch, loops, array, the all things are common in the all language, right? So now in Java class switch example public static void main string arguments. Now declare one variable integer I, right? Either you can use another variable choice. This is my variable, and just initialize the value of choice is equal to 2. Initialize the value of choice is equal to 2, and now use a switch condition. Switch, just pass the variable name, just choice. Means I can handle my switch with choice variable, right? I just apply one case one. This is my first case. I just pass the one message system.out.println. Welcome to the Java, yeah, the J2SC, Java 2 standard editions, right? Now I'm using a break. Okay, switch is keywords, case is also keyword, break is also keyword, right? 3 are keyword, and in the Java how many keyword? 50 keywords are there. Now second conditions, second case 2, system.out.println, welcome to the J2EE Java 2 Enterprise editions, and break. Now another one condition, case 3, system.out.println, welcome to the J2EE. And the last, I am using the default keyword. Which keyword? Default, and I just pass system.out.println. Sorry, your choice does not match, right? Now you save this program with class name. My class name was switch example. Save as. Just pass the name and dot extension of Java. After that, just go to the command prompt, right? Now set space path. Is equal. Just go to the directory of the JDK kits program file Java 1.7.0 bin, and just copy the path and just paste, and just call the Java say executable file. After that, create directory which desktop, and inside the desktop Java lectures folder are there. Inside the Java lectures, Java C, just compile the file. Which file? To my program switch example.java. Okay, compiled successfully. Now run the program. Java switch example, only file name, not extension. Enter. Welcome to the J2EE. Welcome to the J2EE is the output. Why this is output? Because the I initialize the value of choice variable is 2. Suppose I change the 3. I just save this program and just check out. You need to compile again, right? And run again. Welcome to the J2.
पर सर वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखेंगे, जीरो समझो लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा आउटपुट से?
I'll just check out. not match your choice, right? Java C example dot Java and Java example. Sorry, your choice does not match. Any doubts? Now loops in the Java, four type of loop. Four type. One is four conditions. And what is the use of loop? So whenever required to run uh, one particular part of program in a multiple time, whenever you required to run a particular part of multiple time, then you can use a loop. Yeah, in a simple way, when you're required to print one message in a multiple time, when required to print a message in a multiple time, then you can use a loops. So four types are loops. One is for, second is while, and third is do while, and fourth is for each. So now in C programming, three loop are there, for while and do while. In C++ also three, for while and do while. But in Java, four loops are there, for while, do while and for each. And C# also four loop are there, for while, do while and for each. So now I'm declaring program for the four conditions class for conditions example. Public static void main strings is pass arguments. Now this declare one variable integer I, just pass the four conditions, just initialize the value of I0, just check out the conditions, I less than is equal to 10, and just use the incremented operator. Now increment operator, this is operator, increment operator. Suppose I am using I plus plus, right? Which increment? Which? Post increment, right? Now I'm using plus plus I. Which increment? Pre increment, right? What is the difference between post and pre? So whenever you use a post increment, then a variable will be increase a value but not showing. But whenever you call a second time the value, whenever you call a second time a value, then incremented value are printed. In pre, whenever you increase a value, then at a time value increase it, right? So now I'm using for I is equal to 0, this is the initializations part, I less than is equal to 10, this is the conditions part, and I plus plus is the increment operator. Means what? I am starting the condition from the 0, I am ending from the 10, incremented by 1, right? Now print the message system.out.println. My message was welcome. Now save this program with last name four conditions example. Save as four condition example.java, Java C, four conditions example.java. Now compile the class, my file name. Now run the program, Java four conditions example. 10 times the message, not a 10 times, 11 times the message, the welcome, because 0 to 10 total 11, right? I is equal, suppose you require to print a value, then you need to call I with concatenations plus, right? Now just save, compile again and run again. The first message for the 0, second message for the 1, right? Any doubts? Now another loop, class while conditions example, public static point main string arguments, just declare one variable integer I is equal to, starting from 1, I just initialize the value I is equal to 1. Now I'm using a while keyword and just check the conditions. I less than is equal to 10, I just incremented by 1. So now I am using I plus plus, and before the incremented I just print the one message, system dot out dot println, and my message is anything. I just put one line, just put a one line, right? And in between, inside this I'm just use double quote plus and just call the value of I, right? This is my one message. After that concatenation, just value of I, after that concatenation and another message, right? Now just save this program with class name. My class is with conditions example, control as dot java. Now just open the command prompt, java c while conditions example dot java, after that java while conditions example. Now this is the message is out. Any doubts? No? Okay. Now another program is do while. So I'll just open another notepad, class do underscore while example, and just public static void main string arguments, right? Now initialize the value of integer I, just declare the variable I and just initialize the value is 10. I am using a decrement operator inside this. After that, just using a do keyword inside the do body, and I am using a system dot out dot println and one message anything. I just put anything, one message, right? After that, I decremented by 1. I decremented by 1 and just check the conditions while I is greater than is equal to, means starting from the 10, decremented by 1 means 9 7 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, and I greater than is equal to 1 means value of I is greater than from the 1, means when it's coming to the 1, then all condition will be break and stop, right? So now just save this program with class name dot java java c underscore 2 while example dot java java do while example. Suppose you are required to print print I, then call the variable of I, just save, compile again and run again. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, right?